Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your compass in your Oppo A16 and use the compass, of course. So first of all, go up and in the all application just search for the compass here. Okay, so to calibrate it you have to get some things like here on the picture. So let's get it started. Okay, as you see, I just prepare my compass to work, and as you see, the north from me is from this side. There is a north. Yep, we have here the west, east and south from us. So that's it for now. As you see, we have a option where we are here and in outer universe, and there is a 2 dots here on the app, and you can check the version of your compass. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.